Every time, as digital futurists, we look forward to and analyze the most important futuristic and high-tech gadgets that will make our lives a little bit easier. With all of the current innovations, it is exciting to see how they will affect our everyday life and society in 2022. In the United States, an average adult spends $1,200 on electronic gadgets each year. Apparently, this sort of expenditure is only going to rise in the future, since we are always inventing new technologies that make our lives simpler and more fun. So, what gadgets are we talking about? Welcome to Future Tech Lab, and today we bring you some of the top high-level innovative inventions that will blow your mind this year. Number 10. WTP emergency bikes. Let's head to France. That's where the initiative to build an ambulance bike called Emergency Bike got its start. According to the latest data, Paris is the most crowded city in Europe. Local drivers spend around 140 hours a year in traffic. For ambulances, this is a significant concern. Organizations took up the cause and offered a concept that would allow physicians to see patients more quickly. The emergency bike has 2 batteries and can go up to 100 miles before needing to be recharged. It has medication and other valuables, which are safely stored in a 40-gallon container. The bike also has a 140 decibel siren, flasher, and GPS. The bike's creators claim that it can get to the patient twice as fast as a vehicle. Number 9. Spin Launch. Spin Launch is an American business that is offering a new way to travel to space. The rocket's design is based on a vacuum-sealed centrifuge, allowing it to revolve at speeds greater than sound. In order to propel a tiny rocket at speeds exceeding 5,000 miles per hour, Spin Launch makes use of the massive centrifuge to create a vacuum chamber that builds up speed since there is no air in the chamber. This technology is completely unique and can launch satellites weighing up to 440 pounds. As soon as all improvements are completed, the launch will be almost 10 times cheaper than normal, and the usage of 4 times less fuel will allow for an increase in the payload in 2025. Commercial launches of both launch vehicles and unique projectiles are expected. Number 8. Wearable electrodes on leaves. Plants are unable to communicate when they are thirsty. According to the researchers that developed this set of sensors, in order to know exactly how much water is in the leaves, you now just have to attach them to the leaves of the plant. Similar devices already exist, but attaching them to various leaf locations proved challenging. These sensors, on the other hand, provide a number of advantages. You can connect them with a simple piece of tape because they are so little and light. Moreover, through the use of computer learning using the data, it was feasible to create an equation that could be used to predict the water content dynamics at different temperatures. Research has shown that visible indicators of water deficiency typically don't appear until it is too late to do anything about it. In other words, this solution will help you stay on top of watering issues and make informed judgments. Number 7. Leister's Scentech W900A. This welder may be used to weld acrylic, PVC, and other comparable materials. There is no need to preheat the material, and the pace may reach up to 98 feet per minute. The equipment may be used for a wide range of tasks, including overlap welding, 3D welding, butt joints, circular welding, and a variety of other types of piping and welding. The company claims that because the temperature exposure occurs in the same location, the surrounding material is less likely to be damaged. In addition, the machine can attain the desired temperature in less than a second, and the direct voltage provided to the wedge assures low energy usage. Number 6. Ability Hand. Let's have a look at a bionic hand from the United States. Owners are able to feel the hand sensations, as well as the strength of contact, thanks to its sensory feedback. The owner, for example, will know how forceful the handshake was. Sensors on the fingers make this possible. The gadget is lighter than a human hand at slightly over a pound. All fingers may be bent and unbent, and there are a total of 32 different grips available. Additionally, the hand is protected from water and harsh force strikes. It allows you to adjust everything to its absolute best. You may use Bluetooth to link the hand to your phone and to recharge your phone, also using a USB cable to connect to a USB port on your wristband. A fully charged battery should last for 24 hours. Number 5. Multipurpose Hall with Rotation Transformation Seats. A Canadian business developed this system in which, with the stroke of a button, a concert hall may be transformed into an exhibition space, auditorium, music hall, or even a cabaret in 10 to 30 minutes. It has a wide range of options. Spiral lift technology is one of the greatest aspects of the hall. It's a modular system that may be used in nearly any structure. In addition, electric motors provide the propulsion for this hall, so it's cost-effective and ecologically beneficial at the same time. Installation expenses are further reduced by the fact that the system is compatible with a wide range of chairs from different manufacturers. Number 4. 8360's Nova. The next great breakthrough in simulator technology is here. In the same way that goggles, TVs, phones, and other similar gear have advanced virtual reality, so does this technology. This platform is still currently under development. It's a game changer for virtual reality, according to the New Zealand-based team that is in charge of its development. At the moment, the platform is a 6-foot diameter sphere that can transform your entire space and make you feel like you are in a plane or vehicle. The sphere can spin 180 degrees per second on the 3 supports, which are each fitted with wheels and independent motors. The platform may be utilized for amusement or training for pilots, rescuers, and drivers. Number 3. Rab Cirrus Jacket. The most appealing characteristic of this riding jacket is its ability to protect the wearer from being injured. If the user starts falling, the jacket triggers the airbag in seconds and is inflated by a CO2 cartridge and covers several locations at once. For example, it can cover the back, the stomach, and the shoulders. The fabric's special rainbow effects make it easier to be seen because it reflects light and shimmers in the dark. The jacket was developed by a team in France. In Paris cycling lanes alone, traffic increased by 67% in 2020. The jacket, according to the researchers, does a 100 per second analysis of the environment to reduce traffic. The bike and the jacket both have a sensor. The jacket's battery has a 25-hour life expectancy. Number 2. A safe. These are the most dependable safety barriers, according to the manufacturer's claims and presentation. The most distinguishing characteristic of this model is the use of a unique polymer in place of steel. This strategy enables the solution of several issues at the same time. The barrier is not harmed by the force of impact. They also do not corrode or need to be changed. Therefore, there is no need to paint them. In addition to their durability, the barriers can endure an impact of up to 5 tons at 60 miles per hour. Customers are definitely pleased with the 15-inch bend in the barrier. The company works with companies like BMW, DHL, IKEA, and Coca-Cola, among many others, for industrial safety. Number 1. Slinger Bag. Even if you're an avid tennis player, you may find yourself without a partner to play with most of the time. In 2022, everything seems possible, even a bag to play tennis with. This one has been so well received that it has been featured in publications such as Forbes and Bloomberg. There was a 3,409% increase in sales of this bag in the first quarter of 2022. So, what is it about this bag that makes it so special? To begin with, 33 pounds is a rather modest weight. Because of the wheels, it's as simple to transport as a regular luggage bag. Also, there's enough room for 144 balls, as well as all of the necessary equipment. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can easily change the pace, height, and frequency of the balls. So, which of these gadgets are you eagerly anticipating? Comment below, let's engage. Also, if you are interested in more tech videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Goodbye, see you in the next video.